and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of Glossybox for May of 2019, and I got variation 1. So this is the deciding month on this box. I have liked this box. I just feel that for the money we're paying for the box, it should all be full-size samples or full-size products instead of deluxe and sample size products. As always, the pink box that it comes in every month, and beautifully wrapped. This month says something smells in here. Free coffee. So no more drinking with Glossybox. Now you get free coffee. You pay $1 for packing and priority mail, and you get a free bag of more coffee. So that'll be cute, and that is probably something I would use since I'm not a drinker. So when we open this up, this is all of our products this month. And as always, it comes with the little booklet. Heads up Glossies, we've partnered with the beauty site Look Fantastic, where you can spend your Glossy credit. Review products, take surveys, share your Glossy love with friends, and we'll pile up your Glossy credit. With over 14,000 products on Look Fantastic, the hardest part will be choosing what to buy. So, they do have a limited edition box for like Mother's Day, which is this month. So it says, hey there Glossies, with summer around the corner, now is the perfect time for a break from heavy winter makeup. Embrace your natural beauty and polish off those winter blues. From coconut, caffeine, and watermelon to vitamins and hyaluronic acid, this month's box features an exciting mix of products. They are packed with nourishing, healing, and revitalizing ingredients to kick your skin back into dewy perfection. Feel confident and enjoy your bare-faced beauty. Love, the Boxy Gloss team. And inside, of course, it tells you everything that comes in your box. So let's see what's in here. The first thing on top that I'm seeing is Daily Concepts. This says Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber, which I just bought me a new scrubber glove. So I can definitely try this out before I use that. This is a full size. The value of this is $10. It's perfect for buffing away dead skin cells with its texture. This scrubber has a soy-based foam material inside to create a rich lather. Allergy and dermatologist tested. Daily Concepts even incorporated its label to fade so that you know when it's time to replace your scrubber. So that's awesome. You know that scrubbers like these have to be replaced, just like washing your makeup brushes or expired makeup. These also have a shelf life of use. So you can receive a 20% discount on your entire purchase with code DCXGB20 on www.dailyconcepts.com. And it expires July 1st of 2019. So if you're interested in trying something from them, which I think these are great, everybody should exfoliate. You'd be surprised what's on there if you don't. Alright. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Perlice. This is a Perlice coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub. This is not full size. This is 0.7 ounces. The full size is 6 ounces and it retails for $24. Coffee and coconut oil, who doesn't love that combo? As the coconut oil softens and moisturizes your skin, coffee kicks into high gear to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Enjoy this fresh pick-me-up at the start of the day. So, that'll be cool. I actually just bought a new coffee scrub and a new scrub mitt while I was at the store like 2 days ago. So, I will definitely be trying these out before I use my new ones so that I can give my opinion on these. But it's funny with the things you buy and then you get in these boxes. The next thing we have is by Orza Beauty. This is Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips, and nails. And it says this is full size. And it retails for $16. Cruelty-free, this all-purpose skin and lip balm will protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays while it moisturizes and soothes for an all-over dewy effect. And it's perfect for even the most sensitive skin. You can receive a 20% discount on all Orza Beauty product purchases made on www.orzabeauty.com with code GB202019. And it expires June 30th of this year. So, it does have a safety seal on it. I'm not real keen on using these kind of flat products for my lips. It just, if it's going to be a lip balm or lip gloss or lip oil, it should be made for the lips. Okay, so it is very, very greasy feeling. I don't know how much I would put that on my lips, but like on the ends of my nails for my cuticles, I could probably use that. So I don't know about that. I will let you know. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Perlice Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. And as you know, I got this last month in my Ipsy Glam bag. And I liked it, so I am not mad about getting another one. These are fantastic and they smell great. This is a 0.34 ounce, 10 milliliter. The full size is 1.7 fluid ounces. And it retails for $45. A lightweight oil-free gel cream filled with vitamin A, B, and C. This Aqua Balm keeps skin energized and hydrated. For oily combo, normal, sensitive, and dull skin types that want energizing benefits of watermelon and other skin nurturing ingredients, including aloe vera, cucumber, and white tea. So yes, if you have not tried this, I do suggest getting a sample size if possible and trying it. It is amazing. I do like it. Like I said, that's my second time receiving it, and I am definitely not mad about receiving it. The next thing I have is by Grow Gorgeous. Grow Gorgeous is, this is, let's see, this is 2.02 fluid ounces or 60 milliliter. The full size is 8 fluid ounces and it retails for $28. Give your hair a boost with this luxurious scalp mask with a healthy combination of burdock root, hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and caffeine. This mask will give your hair the extra moisture and volume it craves. It says section your hair into even application. This way the scalp mask can be applied evenly, generating new growth and healthy hair. So I will definitely try this out. I'm still in the process of growing my hair out. I shaved my head last year. I had lost a very dear pet of mine and was going through a very hard time. That anniversary just passed, actually, the end of April of this month. It was a year. So, I am still in the process of growing my hair out, and I can use all the help I can get on that. But we're going to move on because that's a sore, touchy subject. I love these. I have gotten the lemon slices from Glossybox also, but these are the slice sheet mask sheets. This one is in cucumber. This one is in watermelon. My dogs are having a fit down here. Chloe, stop it. These are by Coco slice sheet masks, cucumber and watermelon. There are 2 sheets, the full size. These are full size, I'm sorry, and they retail for $10. Have full control of how you apply your masks with Coco slice sheet masks. Unlike traditional masks, you can peel the mask off piece by piece like a sticker. With calming properties, you can apply your masks on your face, neck, under the eye, and anywhere in between. I keep these in, I have a little college dorm refrigerator in my room for soda and water and juice. And I keep my skincare items in there, my eye masks, the little inside that goes to my eye mask, my roller from BoxyCharm will go in there, and I keep these kind of masks in there too. So they are very nice that way. It feels very good on your skin when you take them right out of the refrigerator and put them on your face. So that was our Glossybox from May of 2019. And we got, okay, they claim that this is full size. And the Orza was full size. The Grow Gorgeous was full size. And then these are full size. So 4 of the 6 products that we got were full size. But it's a mask. This feels like Aqua 4. That is exactly what this feels like. It feels like Aqua 4. And you know, with Aqua 4 you can get a full size that is 3 times this size. I don't know. I'm very much on the fence about this box. I don't feel like I'm getting the best bang for my buck. And I'm definitely deciding, or thinking, contemplating of canceling this box. Plus, I also would really like to do the FabFitFun box. And if I'm already paying $21 a month for a box that I'm very much not gung-ho about, I'm sure that the retail value of the FabFitFun box, which is supposed to retail over $200 and guaranteed for full-size products, why would I continue to keep buying a box that I'm not just wowed about anymore? I don't know. Let me know your ideas in the comments down below, because like I said, I'm very much on the fence. And I would love to hear your input on it. So that was my video for Glossybox of May 2019. So if you liked it, please hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Come back and see everything that I'm putting out. I did try the Farsali Jelly Beam highlighter, and I'm not real sure about it. It come off a little bit different than I thought it was going to, but it's to play with and I will figure it out. So until next time, you stay beautiful, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye.